Hi, this is Ankita here from Education Street, and today I'm going to talk about letter of recommendations. Before that, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm an IT engineer myself. I worked as a software engineer with Tech Mahindra. I studied my MBA with University of Leeds in UK. Post that, I was working with British Petroleum in London, and that has been my study abroad experience, and that's why I spread the love that I got after I studied there, and of course how it elevates you as a personality and as a student. It's the best thing that you can do for yourself. So in 2010 we started Education Street, and it's been 10 years behind me, mentoring, supporting and guiding students, and that's what I breathe and eat and sleep over. And just to quickly give a feedback on me, who am I personally? I love reading. I am very motivated on spiritual things. I absolutely love to travel. I've traveled to almost 28 countries so far, and looking forward that things move up and I can go further. And along with it, I'm a mother to a 3-year-old daughter who keeps me on my toes always, and I have a very strong husband to support me as well. So saying this, today's topic I'm going to cover letter of recommendations, because that's very important to every application that you're making for any country. Mostly US, Canada, Germany, UK, these are the countries, popular destinations which definitely require a letter of recommendation. Now first let me explain what it is. So LOR is the acronym used for it very commonly. You must have also seen it on the websites of the universities and everywhere. So basically the university want to know from 3 entities in your life, may it be from academic or any other areas which I'll just share with you, who can vouch for your candidature. Basically what you have done, what you have studied with them, how they think you are valuable or consistent or proactive or honest or hardworking. So all of these things is what they want a third person to vouch for your candidature. So a letter of recommendation is a very important tool which every universities ask you to provide from 3 different recommenders, because they want to have authenticity about you. Saying this, who can be your recommender? The first and foremost is your academic LOR, that is your academic professor or head of department or project guide. So typically you can look for all 3 from academic, depending whether you have work experience or internships or not, but academic LOR is always a must when you're looking out to go for an academic experience ahead. So the professor, it's a 1-page thing. You typically write, the professor writes about what you have done, what he has been teaching you, or how long that professor know, in what reference and all of that. Do not go by looking for professors who are higher in the college or have done PhDs and stuff. No, that doesn't matter as much as it matters that the professor is personally aware about you, that professor is easily accessible to you. So this is very important when you're looking out for a letter of recommendation. The second and foremost LOR that you can look out for is from your intern area. So if you have done a 2-month internship or a 6-month internship, that they can also be, the company can also be a good recommender for that. The third being basically employers, which could be that you're working for 1 year or more and above, and they can also be a recommender who they can talk about your project work, your teamwork, your team capabilities, your technical capabilities, and this is what can go, and which company you have to always refer to them, or the recommender always have to mention he's a project guide to you, or a team member or a team leader or a project guide. So this is how you write letter of recommendations which are very strong. Now one secret which I'm going to share with all of you about letter of recommendation is this, that please just don't include just adjectives. So it's very easy to just say by the recommender he is very hardworking, he is very consistent, he is very disciplined. Doesn't make any sense. Give examples, give references about these adjectives. So if you're saying you're hardworking, let the professor talk about by giving an example that he's always been, handling academics with extracurriculars. He's been very active with college festivals. He's got good sponsorships for the colleges, or he always, learned from reading international journals or newspapers. He participated in technical competition, or his project work has always been way above what a student of his level do. So give references behind the adjectives given. So that is how a strong recommendation is, and that is how you need to write it. So this is a secret which I feel everyone should inculcate when they are looking forward to write a letter of recommendation. So I hope this video is useful. I'm sure you will have a lot of questions behind it, but Education Street is something who we strive to serve you and help you out with these. So please do write back to us. Ankita@Education Street is my email ID. www.educationstreet.in is our website. Our Instagram handles are on @EducationStreet on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all of them. So you can get in touch with us anywhere, wherever you like, whichever platform you like, and we will definitely get back to us and support you for your studying abroad dream. I hope this serves the purpose, and we'll come up with more such videos in our next week.